How high will HBAR go in the 2024 bull market? In this video I share my HBAR price prediction for 2024 with long and short term analysis, and we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for HBAR to make maximum profits in 2024. So let's go straight into the content. HBAR is on place 36 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $2.5 billion. The coin is existent since 2019 and we built the all-time high in 2021. And after we reached the all-time high, we then saw this massive crash to lower levels. We came all the way down into this demand zone, the demand zone where the beginning was of this massive move to the upside. And as we came into this demand zone, we found some support right here. We also retested it again and we moved to the prices right now. And as you can see, we saw some rejection in the supply zone. This supply zone was the beginning of this move to lower levels. And as we first came into the supply zone, we saw this bearish rejection. And right now we also saw some resistance right here. But if we are breaking the supply zone to the upside with a weekly body close, then the chance is extremely high that we can see even higher prices for HBAR. And if we are then starting the bullish momentum, the first really interesting price target is this high right here. Because this high was the beginning of this massive push to the downside, and often over important highs there's much liquidity. So the chance that we are reaching this kind of goal is very high, but the chance for a larger pullback after this kind of high is also very high, because often over this important highs retailers and institutions are taking profits, so the chance that we see a pullback is there. But these pullbacks are also a great chance to buy some coins. And if we then find acceptance again over this highs, then the next really interesting price target is this high right here. Because after we reached this high, we saw this move to lower levels. But if we also find bullish acceptance over there, the last really interesting area is this all-time high, of course. So potential price movement in the bull run could be like this. Of course, guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. But keep in mind, if we are reaching this very important highs, the chance for a larger pullback is there. And larger pullbacks are also a great chance to buy some more coins in the bull run. And from the prices right now to the all-time high, we would have a potential of 650%. And I think this is already a great potential for HBAR. But the best coins are also exploding over their last all-time high. And I think HBAR has the potential to reach even higher prices than the old all-time high. And to calculate the potential price target, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low. And if we have a look at the 3.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of nearly $2. And I think HBAR has the potential to reach this kind of price targets. But the question is if we are reaching it this bull run or in the bull run after that. So if we are looking at the 2.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $1.45, or the 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of 90 cents. And I think these price targets are more realistic for the next bull run. Of course, if enough money comes into the crypto market and big institutions and retailers are going into HBAR, the chance that we are reaching $2 is also there. But I'm a little bit more conservative, so I think these price targets are very realistic. And if we got even higher prices, it's very nice. But if we're looking from the potential to the first price target at 90 cents, we would have a price target of 1100%. And I think this is already a great deal on HBAR. If we would reach the 2.618 Fibonacci with the price of $1.45, we would have a price target of nearly 1800%. And if we would reach the price of $2, it would be a potential of 2500%. So this would be an amazing deal on HBAR. But keep in mind, guys, these are just orientations from the prices right now. And I think HBAR is a great project with very nice fundamentals, but if we want to reach this kind of price targets, we have to look at the total crypto market cap. And in the last weeks, we are seeing this bullish momentum, which is a really good sign. And if enough money comes from retailers and big institutions into the crypto market, the chance is high that we are reaching the old all-time high at the crypto market cap. And especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the chance that much money flows into the crypto market and that we explode over our last all-time high is very high. And if enough money comes into the crypto market and we see prices like this, the chance that great altcoins like HBAR are also exploding over their last all-time high is really high. So we looked for potential price targets for the next bull run, and now we are looking for potential buy zones. And I think these prices are already a great chance to buy some coins for your long-term hodl portfolio. Because we saw this bullish momentum to the upside, we now saw this bearish retracement, and we find some great support right here in this daily order block. So if we now see a bullish reaction to the upside and also explode over this last high, then I think the chances high that we can see even higher prices. And if we also explode over this supply zone, then the chances high that we can start with the bullish momentum for HBAR. So I think these prices are already a great chance to buy some coins. But if we are breaking this order block to the downside and see lower prices, then I would first have a look at this demand zone. And if we see even lower prices, then I would have a look at this demand zone. So in both cases, this was the start of a bullish push to the upside. So if we are coming again into this demand zone, and if we don't see lower prices and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is a great buy zone area for the long term for HBAR. And if we see even lower prices, then I would definitely buy some coins right in this area, because as I said, this was the beginning of this massive run to the upside. So the chance that we are seeing some support right here is very high. And the potential just from this prices to the all-time high would be 1100%. That's why I think this is a great buy zone area for HBAR if we see prices like this again. But if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like HBAR, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So again guys, HBAR is a great project with very nice fundamentals. And just from the prices right now to the all-time high, we would have a potential of 650%. And I think HBAR has the potential to also break its last all-time high. And this could be some potential price targets for the next bull run. So it depends if enough money comes into the whole crypto market and how much money will flow into HBAR. And if you want to see my XAI price prediction for 2024, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for 2024. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.